It's my bird. It's not very smoky. It's my bird. Suki! She's just chilling. My camera is really bad. And there's my other cat. He's chilling. Then there's my bird. He's annoying. Anyways. Voice reveal? No. Alright, you guys already know my voices. This is just a non-gacha video, I guess. Oh my god, my bird. Tweety bird! Tweety bird! Tweety bird! Calm down. I yelled 3 times. Smokey! 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 What's your problem? I'm just tapping you. Smokey, do you like the camera? She's so cute. So cute.